How to save jobs on Upwork. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're browsing jobs on Upwork and want to save interesting ones so that you can apply later, firstly open up the Upwork application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your Upwork account, go ahead and go to the search box at the top of the screen inside the Jobs tab. Now go ahead and search for the jobs you are interested in. After you do that, on the next page, it'll show you the list of jobs you can apply to or save. You can narrow down your search by using the filter at the top right, choosing the categories and entering the experience level, job type, price, etc. Now since I want to find this job over here, I'm just going to select one of the appropriate jobs. Explore through the jobs available and tap on one of them which feels good to you. And then on the next page, go to the very bottom and you'll see the Save Job button. Before doing so, go ahead and read the info and finally tap on Save Job at the bottom. Now the selected job will be saved. Go to your home page or the Jobs tab and tap on the little heart icon at the top right corner right next to the box, and you'll be able to see all of your saved jobs on the screen. So that is how you can save your jobs on Upwork. You can come back to it whenever you are ready to apply. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.